In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a PDF in AutoCAD DWG quickly and easily. This is a super useful workflow if you need to bring in a PDF reference, trace over a floor plan, compare details, or use a document as a guide inside your drawing. I'll walk you through the exact steps from opening your file to placing the PDF on your canvas, and I'll also show you what to do if the PDF doesn't appear the way you expect. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct DWG file before attaching anything, because the PDF will be inserted into that current drawing. Once your drawing is open, go to the command line and type PDFATTACH, then press enter. This command is the fastest way to attach a PDF into AutoCAD, and it gives you control over which page you want to use. After you run the command, AutoCAD will open a file selection window. From here, locate the PDF file you want to insert. Click on the file to select it, and then click Open. Now AutoCAD will prompt you to choose the page if your PDF contains more than one page. Select the page you want to bring into your drawing, then click OK to confirm. This step is important because it lets you place the exact page you need instead of importing the entire document blindly. After that, AutoCAD will return you to the drawing area and ask you to place the PDF. Click anywhere in the drawing area where you want the PDF path to appear. That click sets the insertion point, so choose a location that makes sense for your workflow. Once placed, the PDF should appear as an underlay in your DWG file. If you can't see it right away, don't worry. That usually just means the scale is too small or the PDF was inserted too far away from your current view. Select the PDF and increase the scale, or if you haven't placed it yet, set a larger scale before placing it. You can also zoom out to check whether it was inserted outside your current view. A lot of people think the PDF didn't import correctly, when in reality it just needs a better scale or a different placement point. If you are tracing over the PDF, take a moment to position it properly and zoom in to verify the alignment. You can move it, adjust the scale, and organize your drawing so the PDF becomes a useful reference instead of cluttering your workspace. And that's it. Now you know how to insert a PDF in AutoCAD DWG using PDFATTACH. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and it can save you a lot of time when working with references or imported documents. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more AutoCAD tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.